Hey there, it's Jeffrey Douglas, SD Rover. So today I wanted to talk about the M18 Tire Inflator. And if you've watched this channel for a while, you know I love my power tank, but sometimes that CO2 tank just runs out of air without a warning. And so you always want a redundant backup. So I've always kind of avoided these battery powered ones because they're kind of anemic. They don't really work very fast. But since I've invested in the M18 system, I've got the Milwaukee Top Off now for powering iPhones and devices. I thought, why not go ahead and take advantage of the fact that I have multiple M18 batteries. Obviously with the Rover, I'm not running huge tires, so I don't have to worry about going from a way down to way up. In fact, usually when I'm airing down the Mickey Thompsons, I don't go much below 20. And normally the fronts are running at 36 and the rear at 42. The M18 system has a 5-year warranty, so I love that. It weighs about 7 pounds, so it's not the lightest thing in the world, but not too bad. It has true fill technology, so what that means is when you hook it up and you start airing up the tire, it has 4 memories, and you can set the memories for different tire ratings. For instance, the front versus the rear, or in my case, I also have a memory set for the base camp trailer. And once it gets to that, it'll stop, but it will also then retake the pressure and it will top it off if it's a little bit low. So it's very accurate. I think it's within 1 PSI accuracy. It has an onboard hose and nozzle. So if you see on the back here, there's where the hose and the nozzle. And also nice is the fact that it's got air inflator for a ball. The duty cycle is about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you're going to want to let it rest for about 40 minutes before you want to use it again. Most of these compressors, the thing that kills them off is heat. And this does have a built-in fan. So if you hear that fan running, don't turn it off until it cools down. Anyway, I've got the front tire aired down to about 20 right now, which is typically what I would have if I'm coming back off a trip off-road. And you can see how quickly this will actually fill up the tire back to 36. So I'm going to pick the memory number 36, and then all I have to do is go ahead and hit this. So you can see it's definitely not as fast as the power tank from taking it up, but let's say your tire's a little bit low and you just want to top them off. Certainly that's a good situation. Or in the situation where my power tank went out and I only had 1 tire left to actually fill up, that's a good thing too. There you saw the unit stopped, made sure the pressure was right, and came back on for a little bit to get it right up to 36. So would I buy this again? Absolutely. I'm kind of surprised. I didn't think I would like it. In fact, I kind of went in with the attitude that I'll try it and then take it back if it didn't really do what I wanted it to do. Obviously, it's not as fast as a fill up from the power tank. But if I've got just 1 tire that needs to be filled up, or just topping a tire off, this is a lot more convenient than getting the power tank out, setting it up, and getting it ready to use. So this is first impressions. I will give you another update probably in about 6 months to a year, just to let you know. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. Anyway, thanks for stopping by today. I hope you found this video useful. If you see me out and about, be sure to stop and say hi. I do a lot of overlanding reviews and trips and things like that, photography and video. Great to have you along with us on the adventure. And remember, get outside.